back to my channel. My name is Kenya, and if you're new to my channel, do consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. So before we start the video guys, happy Lipsticks Day, happy National Lipsticks Day to all my beauties out there. If you are a makeup lover or a lipstick lover, you can connect with me on this video guys. So this video I have dedicated to my favorite lipsticks. So I have picked few of my favorite lipsticks, but all the shades are nude or in the nude category. I have made a similar kind of video previously also. I'm going to link it here so you can go and check that out. And now let's quickly start the video. So the first lipstick I want to talk about is these two lipsticks. I'm wearing the shade right now and I loved it so much. I've mixed these two colors together. This is from Maybelline. This is Ringleader. I have spoken about these two shades in my previous video, that is Nykaa Hot Pink Sale. If you haven't watched that, I'm going to link it here so you can go and check that out. So these are the two shades. I'm going to show the colors of individual shades to you also. So here is the first shade from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink collection. I have shared how it appears on the website, and I am also sharing a swatch of it and how it appears on my complexion. So you can share, you can see all the three things, how it appears. It is such a wonderful and amazing color. The next one is from L'Oreal Paris, and this is, the shade name is I Lead. Again, I'm sharing a swatch of it and how it appears on the website. If you are going to purchase, you can see that. So a must buy guys. The next shade I'm going to talk about is again from Maybelline, and this is again from the Superstay collection guys, Matte Ink collection. The shade I have is 160, Mover is the shade name. This is a bit towards, you know, little dark hai ye, and it looks so amazing guys. ये वाला shade मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से था and I completely forgot to use it, and now I have taken out and oh my god, the shade look bomb guys. So I am in love with the shade. सारे shades are mostly towards neutral, so yes, this is how it looks. The next shade, I have also spoken about this shade earlier. This is a bullet lipstick. This is the shade I am talking about. This is from Maybelline Nude Nuance is the shade name. This is such a popular shade guys. If you know beauty bloggers, they will definitely talk about this shade. This is from Maybelline, and the shade number is 657. Nude Nuance is the shade name. This is such a popular shade. Everyone is raving about this shade, so a must buy. If you are someone who loves nude colors, I would highly recommend to use this one guys. This is such a beautiful and amazing color to use. The next shade I'm going to talk about is my forever favorite guys. I have used this shade so many times, and this is like my third or fourth bottle. This is like into a liquid family shade. This is from Colorbar, and the shade name is Hot Latte. Oh my god, by the name, yes, this shade is something which I would never, I will never go wrong with this shade. If I'm wearing any kind of makeup, whether it's smoky eyes, neutral makeup, this is the shade which will be my savior for always. So this has a little bit of pink undertone, and this looks so amazing on every skin tone. So if you are towards brown skin tone, you're fairer, you are wheat complexion, or towards a dark complexion, this is your baby to get your hands on. So I would highly recommend that if you are someone who is willing to, after seeing this video, अगर आप कोई shade purchase करना चाहते हो, so then this is the shade I'm going to recommend कि go ahead and purchase this one. This is such a beautiful color guys. I can't stop talking about this color. So now let's quickly see the swatch of this color. So the next shade I'm going to talk about is from MAC, and this is MAC Meher. Again, it's a very popular shade in the lipsticks, and from the MAC collection also. This is how it is. और ये मैंने mini, इसका MAC का mini वाला खरीद रखा है. So definitely the only one thing इसका जो I do not like is this is not a very long lasting color, or like the इसका जो formulation है बहुत ज़्यादा long lasting नहीं है. इवन लाइक विद इन एन आवर ये बहुत जल्दी से निकल जाता है. सो दैट इज़ लाइक वन डिसएडवांटेज और ड्रॉबैक काइंड ऑफ थिंग विच आई डू नॉट लाइक अबाउट द शेड. पूरा इनका जो कैटेगरी है इसमें ये प्रॉब्लम है. बट देन अगेन बहुत ही इट इज़ वेरी सटल एंड अ वेरी वेरी क्यूट कलर आई वुड से. जो नेक्स्ट शेड मैं बात करने वाली हूँ दैट इज़ फ्रॉम स्मैशबॉक्स एंड दिस इज़ द शेड नेम गुलाबी. I have spoken about this shade earlier on my channel also. So जब ये शेड लॉन्च हुआ था, ये पूरे शेड्स जब इनका पूरा एक लॉन्च हुआ था स्मैशबॉक्स का ये वाला लिपस्टिक्स, तो ये शेड मेजरली इंडियन स्किन टोन को ध्यान रखते हुए ये शेड इन लोगों ने लॉन्च किया था. दिस इज़ बाय स्मैशबॉक्स. नेम है गुलाबी. अगेन बहुत पॉपुलर शेड है. जब स्मैशबॉक्स ने ये लॉन्च किया तो बहुत रेव हुआ था इस प्रोडक्ट के, इस लिपस्टिक के बारे में. लिक्विड है. आई मोस्टली यूज़ लिक्विड बिकॉज लिक्विड मुझे थोड़े ज़्यादा ऐसे लगते हैं कि लॉन्ग लास्टिंग ज़्यादा रहते हैं. सो आई मोस्टली प्रिफर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स देन द बुलेट वंस. So yeah, this will be my another shade which I really love it, guys. So that's it, guys. These were all the shades from Nude family. But personally, guys, I am a person who love मुझे bold colors बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं lipsticks में, and red is one of my favorite colors. So I have 3 picks from red family. I have kept from affordable to mid-range to high-end, guys. So let's talk about the first affordable one. This is from Maybelline. This is the shade name is 20 and the shade name is Pioneer. This is again a very good lipstick. अगर आप लोग कोई function में जा रहे हो और if you are bride, I would say कि this is the color. It will not come out very easily. So yes, I would highly recommend. बहुत ही amazing लगता है and again every skin tone like it will suit to every skin tone. So definitely आप लोग की ये एक product होना चाहिए अगर आप red color affordable में check करना चाहते हैं. So the next shade is from Sugar Cosmetics and the shade name is Scarlett O'Hara and the shade number is 01. This is from Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick. Crayon है ये. एक ड्रॉबैक है इसका दैट इज़ whenever you sharp because of course ये क्रेयॉन में है तो आप जब भी शार्प करोगे बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट निकलता है and which is not so good, but it is such a beautiful red color, guys. When you put this color on your lips, you definitely feel that power. So yes, I would highly recommend कि आप ये वाला shade check out कर सकते हो. So the last shade I'm going to talk about is from Smashbox and the shade name is Boss. So when you wear this lipstick, you feel that boss lady kind of feeling आपको आता है. I feel it, guys. So yeah, this is such a stunning color, guys. Red में I have used MAC का Ruby Woo. That was one of the lipsticks which was raved a lot. And then I would say this is the one lipstick from Smashbox and Smashbox collection. Boss is the shade name and you literally feel like a boss lady once you wear it. This is such a stunning color, guys. So definitely I would recommend सबसे ज़्यादा कि ये वाला shade आप definitely if you are someone who are comfortable wearing bold colors and this is the one, go for it. I can wear this color in day, night, anytime. So there is no rule कि आपको कौन सा कलर कब पहनना है, कब you can use it. You can wear it in day, you can wear it in evenings, night, anytime. So yeah, I would say this is my personal favorite, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. These were all the lipsticks I wanted to share and please comment down and tell me which is your favorite lipstick or आपको do you like to wear nude lipsticks or are you also someone who loves wearing bold colors, guys? So do tell me in the comment and do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. I am going to see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye. And as I always say, guys, before I go, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications so that you always be notified with my videos.